Hi, I'm Leela from Evolution Digital, here to show you how to easily install your new HD set-top box. Congratulations! You are now on your way to a better TV viewing experience. After we complete the installation, we'll talk more about some cool features that your new box will add, like an on-screen guide and theater-quality sound. Let's install your new HD box. Currently, your cable comes from the wall and plugs directly into your TV. You will just be placing the HD set-top box in between the cable coming from the wall and the TV. In 3 simple steps, we'll show you how to install and activate your set-top box and how to pair your remote control. Let's open your kit and get started. Your installation kit should include your new HD set-top box, an HDMI cable, coaxial cable, power cord, adhesive Velcro, a remote control with batteries, and an easy-to-understand quick start guide. First, you'll set up your new set-top box using either an HDMI connection or SD coaxial audio-visual connection. If you're not sure if you have HDMI, look at the back of your TV for a port labeled HDMI. If your TV was purchased before 2004, it may not have a HDMI port. If you do have HDMI, this is the cable you will use. If your TV does not have HDMI, you will use the coax cable. Remember, you will use either the HDMI or coax cable, not both. To begin the installation, be sure that your TV is turned off. Now, go to the back of the TV and disconnect the coax cable from the TV. This is the cable that runs from the wall into your TV. Just leave the other end of the cable plugged into the wall. If you are using a HDMI connection, which will give you the best quality picture, start by connecting the coaxial cable from the wall outlet into the cable in port on the HD set-top box. Then, connect the HDMI cable to the HDMI port on the HD set-top box, labeled in white. Take the other end of the HDMI cable and plug it into the port on the back of your TV. Finally, connect the power cord to the HD set-top box by plugging the round end into the yellow section labeled plus 5-volt DC in power port, and by plugging the other end into an electrical outlet. After plugging in your HD set-top box, turn on your TV and select the correct HDMI input on your TV. For a SD coaxial audio-visual connection, simply connect the coaxial cable from the wall outlet into the cable-in port on the HD set-top box. Then, connect the coaxial cable from your kit to the 2TV port on the HD set-top box, and connect the other end to the input port on the back of your TV. For the box to work properly, the TV channel and the set-top box channel must both be set on 3. Finally, connect the power cord to the HD set-top box by plugging the round end of the yellow section labeled plus 5V DC in power port, and by plugging the other end into an electrical outlet. Now you are ready to activate your HD set-top box and your new digital service. Simply call your cable operator and tell them you are ready to activate your new HD set-top box. They will walk you through the process and activate your box. Now for the final step, pairing your remote control with your new set-top box and TV. Before we get started, make sure your remote has batteries. On the remote, first press the menu button. Then, select Remote Control, and then Remote Control Pairing. Press and hold the setup button until the LED indicator turns green. Press the menu button again, waiting a few seconds to allow the pairing code to display. Then, enter the blue pairing code from the pop-up screen. To force the remote control to send volume control commands to the HD setup box, press and hold Setup until the LED indicator light turns green, and then press the volume down button. Now that your box is installed, activated, and your remote is paired, you are ready to enjoy the new digital on-screen program guide. For additional questions, or if you want to learn more about digital TV, please contact your cable operator or visit their website.